the way they step on has to be clean and following, the beat of drumming. That's why, musicians are drumming. They have to follow the beat. And also the expression of the face, and they have to enjoy what they're dancing on. Not to get stuck because, you have the judge in front of you, but the right meanings, of the orientality is enjoying what you're dancing on. That's what we're judging them today. This is how I judge the way. It's not only Fa'arapu. You can still have the best Fa'arapu, strong Fa'arapu, but this is not the Fa'arapu competition. This is the best dancer competition. So, to be the best dancer has to show us, talk to us, send us a message through what you're doing. Step, clean, also expression of the face, and enjoy it. Thank you so much.